Hi everyone, I'm Nelson from X-PHY team, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove SSD. Without any further ado, let me shut down my computer. Now, while the notebook is shutting down, I'm going to remove my power. Close it. Take a plier and a screwdriver, stand by aside. Flip to the back cover. And all endpoints by brands and model have a different layout on the back panel. But in this case, for this demonstration purposes, I'm using ASUS ExpertBook, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws, which I have already pre-removed away. And please slowly work along the side to pry open the cover. Which I have already removed the cover. In this case, this is my demonstration X-PHY SSD. Unscrew it. Put it aside and just gently slide it out. Now imagine there's another new drive. Just again gently from a 30-degree angle, slide it in. Go according to the key here. There's a slot as shown over here. Slide it in. Ensure it's fully insert. And then hold it down and screw it back. And take back the back cover, align it, and snap it back. Double check all is fully covered before you start. Screw back all the screw. Now let's wrap it up in my today's demonstration. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you and have a nice day.